Welcome back to Zaira's world. Hope you all are doing good. Today you're going to make my favorite dish. And my favorite dish is Cajun potatoes. So first let me tell you the ingredients. First, my mother has boiled me some potatoes. Now we need to flatten it. Make sure that you don't break it. Like this much flattening you need to do. Too hot. Okay, so I flattened all of them. Now, don't be worried if there's lots of ingredients. It's so easy to make. Now let's just put the corn flour top of this and salt. So first let's put some corn flour. Just put little salt and little corn flour. Here is potatoes for shallow frying. So I need some help for shallow frying. So let me just call my mommy for shallow frying. Meanwhile, my mother is doing shallow frying. Let's do the mayo dressing. First, you need this much mayonnaise. Then we need to put a little salt. This much salt. Then a little chili flake. Then 2 scoops of sauce. Then some garlic powder, chili powder, a little we'll put, then onion powder, that much onion powder is enough, then mixed herb, then milk. Now let's mix. The mayo dressing is ready. The shallow fried potatoes are here. Now let's put the mayo dressing and some onion and some coriander leaves. Make sure that the mayonnaise is like light. Otherwise you won't be able to make it fall. I can't really make it so much. Now let's dress it with some onions and some coriander leaves. Set it. Now my cajun potatoes are ready. See? Awesome. Hope you all liked this video. Put the like button if you like it and put the subscribe button if you are new. And please try this recipe. It's so tasty. I didn't taste it. Let me just taste it. So good. So please try this recipe and thank you for watching.